इंडिया इज रिच नाउ बट इंडियंस आरंट। दोस्तों, इंडिया दुनिया की 4th लार्जेस्ट इकोनॉमी बन चुका है। जगह जगह से बिलियनर्स निकल रहे हैं। सेंसेक्स रिकॉर्ड हाई पे है। तो फिर आखिर क्यों इंडिया रिच है पर इंडियन स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं? वाई इज योर सैलरी नॉट राइजिंग लाइक द स्टॉक मार्केट? लेट मी एक्सप्लेन। India has overcome Japan in nominal GDP and is now world's 4th largest economy. But look deeper and you will find rising unemployment, underpaid graduates and rural distress. Lower and middle income families that wages are not increasing over time but inflation is rising. Informal sector workers make 90% of workforce, but their lack of job security and access to social benefits such as health insurance or pensions are very less. Youth and graduates are unemployed and have mismatched skills. This makes poorer more poor and richer more rich. So there should be a point of time when the gap between rich and poor starts begin. Let's rewind to 1991, the year India opened its doors to global economy. The liberalization reforms led by Manmohan Singh triggered an economic boom. Sectors like IT, finance and services took off, but the benefits mostly absorbed by urban elites and corporates. Fast forward to 2010s and India's GDP skyrocketed, crossing $3.7 trillion US. We became the 5th largest economy by size, but something didn't add up. The wealth gap grew wider, not narrower. The top 1% of Indians now control over 40% of country's wealth. The bottom 50%, they just own 3%. Even with such growth, jobs haven't kept pace. In fact, over 80% of Indians still work in the informal sector. No job security, no benefits, no safety nets. See around you one time. Urban versus rural. Cities has IT parks, luxury homes, but villages has poor access to school, health and water. Rich versus poor state. Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Kerala rich states, but Bihar, UP, Jharkhand has low GDP and poor service states. Inside cities also, like Mumbai, there is Antila and Dharavi. Why is this happening? Unequal wealth distribution. GDP growth benefits to top sectors like tech or finance, not agriculture or labor. Jobless growth. In today's world of AI, due to automation, there are only few stable jobs. Education and employment mismatch. Degrees are not equal to skills in today's world. And the biggest reason is corruption. So what is the solution? We need awareness, and for awareness we need education and healthcare. Empowerment to MSMEs, because small businesses will make hundreds of millions of jobs. Boost rural economy. Invest in agri-tech, crafts and tourism. Of course, India's growth story is immersive. Millions left out of poverty, global investment flowing in. But unless we address the gap between GDP and ground reality, this growth will leave too many behind. Last, I will only say, India is rich, yes, but growth means better jobs, better education and dignity for every Indian. Next time someone tells you GDP is up, ask for whom. Think critically, ask questions and stay informed. Thanks for watching. If you found this insightful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. All the used sources are in description. See you in next video. Jai Hind.